In this video, let us explore the second option of scheduling email delivery. If you have work experience, you would know that there are some reports which managers have to see regularly. These could be to monitor the performance of a product or to monitor the health of a process or any other thing. For this, a regular email delivery is usually set up. For example, if you are monitoring performance of your website using Google Analytics and your report makes a dashboard on your Google Analytics account, you can set a weekly email which will show you the performance of your site in the last week. And note that people getting the email delivery will not get access to this report. They will receive an attached PDF file. So it will be a static form of the report. Here, when I open this email delivery dialog box, the from is set to StartTech Academy, who is the owner of the report. In 2, you can add all the recipients you want. Then tick this checkbox if you want to customize the email subject and message. Otherwise, if you untick it, an automatically generated subject and message will be used. I think you should customize the subject and message always. Anyway, I'm not going to write a subject and message right now. Then we can select the pages to be included in the report. So these pages that you select here will be part of the attached PDF in the mail. The first page that you select here will be included in the mail as a preview. So it makes sense that in your first page you have some kind of executive summary of the report or the most important metrics that you want to visualize, because that first page is going to be part of the preview in the mail. All the other pages you select here will be part of the attached PDF file. Then you have to select the start time and the repeat frequency. So if you want a regular weekly mail on the Monday morning, you just select weekly on Monday. Or if you want to customize it, select on custom. This will be the start time. From this start time, you can set the repeat frequency if you want it every once a week or once a day or every 5 days, whatever the schedule you want to set for this report. With this setting, just click on schedule and you will schedule an email for this report. However, it makes sense to schedule dynamically updating reports only. Since this report has CSV data sources and no one is going to update this report, so it doesn't make sense to set a delivery schedule for this report. But if you have a regularly updating report and you want a dashboard of it to be mailed to you and your colleagues, you know how you can do that.